Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and yes, I have the Doc McStuffins jacket right here. This is a great accessory. If you have any of the Doc McStuffin tools or things, you can be just like her and have a jacket taking care of all your animals, stuffies, pets. It makes you feel like you are a doctor in charge. It's cute. It's got these beautiful heart pink buttons. The detail on it is great. I love that it has a picture of Doc McStuffins as well. It's super cute. Says Toy Hospital with a little band-aid. So it's fun. There's pockets on the side, and I like the fact that it's got little pictures as if there's tools of equipment inside it, which is kind of neat because if you don't have a lot of the accessories, at least it makes you feel like you do have some of them right there in your pocket. So this is something that I think is really cool to have. It's fun to be able to play dress up when you're a kid, and it makes it a little more real for their imagination to feel like they are Doc McStuffins and that they're going to take care of all their animals and make them feel better, which I think is pretty cool. But that's just my point of view.